Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel, English Help with Ivo. I'm very excited about this one. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick but super useful tip for perfecting your ED ending pronunciation in English. Sometimes learners get confused if they should say liked or liked. There are three ways to pronounce ED endings in regular past tense verbs. T as in liked. D as in played. Id as in decided. If the verb ends in a voiceless sound, the ed sounds like a T. Examples would include help, helped, kiss, kissed, watch, watched. If the verb ends in a voiced sound, the ed sounds like a D. Examples would include play, played, grab, grabbed, call, called. If the sound of the verb ends in T or a D, you'd have to add an extra syllable and pronounce it as id. For example, need, needed. Now let's practice these sentences together. She watched a movie last night. She watched a movie last night. He played soccer with his friends. He played soccer with his friends. They wanted to go to the beach. They wanted to go to the beach. Now here's a quick little trick to find out if a verb is, or if a word is voiced or voiceless. You can basically use your fingers, and you might want to use maybe your index finger or your thumb, whichever you're comfortable with, and try to feel the vibration in your throat when you say the word. For example, like. When I'm pronouncing like, am I feeling a vibration? Is it vibrating, or is my throat, am I feeling any kind of vibration in my throat? If the answer is no, then you know you'd have to pronounce the ed as a T. If the answer is yes, which means it is voiced, then you know you have to pronounce the ed as a D. So let's try like. I'm not feeling any vibrations here, so I'm gonna say this is voiceless, and so the ed has to be pronounced as a T. So like, liked. Let's go over to play. Now, as I'm pronouncing play, am I feeling any vibrations here in my throat? Play, 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 play. I believe so. So then if I feel any vibrations, I know it is voiced, and the ed has to be pronounced as a D. Play, played, play, played. And again, if the sound of the verb is ending in T or a D, we would have to add an extra syllable and pronounce it as id. Now let's go over some very common verbs here. We pronounce the ed as a T. Laughed, laughed. Walked, walked. Talked, talked. So it's asked, but the K is very silent. Asked. Kissed, kissed. Liked, liked. Watched, watched. Helped, helped. Danced, danced. Dropped, dropped. Cooked, cooked. Fixed, fixed. Hoped, hoped. Sniffed, sniffed. Fetched, fetched. Washed, washed. Now we're gonna go to some words where the ed sounds like a D. Played, played. Called, called. Opened, opened. Lived, lived. Cleaned, cleaned. Smiled, smiled. Pulled, pulled. Loved, loved. Damaged, damaged. Used, used. Turned, turned. Changed, changed. Allowed, allowed. Moved, moved. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce ed ending words like a pro. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new lessons. Let me know in the comments which ed ending words you struggle with, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.